Hello, everyone. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I miss all of you. I miss the time right before Christmas because it is kind of special. But this year is just one of those years. So Merry Christmas. Have a great break with your family. Have some fun. Go sled riding. Do something you haven't done in that respect. Today is your last day to turn in any work. 2:30. It's done. It's over with. I'm not going to accept anything over break, although I will be grading over break. Your work is due today. You're welcome to make up anything that you want. I have not put the Kahoot points in, but if you do have a Kahoot card and you haven't used it, then go ahead and email me and let me know how many points that you have. I have some of them on my desk. So that's it. I sure did miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you for 2021.